Hey guys, if you missed my video yesterday on affiliate marketing, you definitely want to make sure you watch that one because I will say it was a good one. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make money through your own products. Now, if you guys have been on this video series, you know that affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to make money. But you have to keep in mind, I'm getting only a portion of the money of the products that I'm selling. So I'm missing out on a whole lot of money. If I had my own products, I would be doing much better because I'll be getting 100% of the profit, not just 20%. So I want to focus on in this video, if you have your own products, I plead with you to please use SEO. This is the best source of traffic that you can get to get your products sold over and over and over again. Especially if your product is filling a need, which it should be. There's a reason why someone will actually want to buy your product. So you should be thinking about what are some of the questions that people will be searching for in Google so you can answer their questions and promote your product. I can't stress enough that I think every business owner, if they have a product to sell, they should be writing articles to rank on Google to highlight their own products. It just makes sense to me. So if you have your own product, use the tools that I do. Use KW Finder to find out, what are some common questions people are searching for every single month, and then look to see the keyword difficulty. Especially for a brand new website, you want to make sure that you're doing everything that's green or easy to rank for. So use that tool to kind of identify, is this something that I could actually write about and actually get on the first page of Google for? If so, then yes, write it. There's other things that you want to make sure that you're considering, but that's another reason why I would love for you guys to be at my launch event, because this is the things that I want to be talking about. Just basically how to make sure that you're following a certain criteria to get your articles to rank on Google, because that's everything. And then you want to also make sure that you're writing your articles in a certain way so that they will rank on Google. So it's a whole method to the madness, but if you can actually do the work, follow the formula, you can get your articles on Google and you can get your products sold. Basically for people who are just looking for things on Google, and you're helping them by giving the solution to their problem through your own products. So this is a short video just about how you can promote your own products to Google, but this is one I want every business owner to be able to do, because this is just good, easy, free, let me say it again, free traffic that you can get to promote your own products. So definitely make sure that you are keeping this in mind if you do have your own product and you're trying to figure out how to actually sell it, especially if it's something that can be sold online. All right, make sure you guys join me tomorrow as I talk about how to make money from sponsorships. And don't forget my live launch event that's going to be Thursday, September 8th at 6 p.m. Central Time. And make sure you do look at the workshop page, because it's not for everyone. And I don't want you guys to waste your time if you feel like that's not for you. So make sure you check that out before you register. If it fits you, I'd love to have you guys. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.